Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to make Samsung TV screen bigger. Let's go. First way, screen bigger. Open settings. All settings. Picture. Picture size settings. Custom. Zoom and position. Zoom. Enlarge the screen to fit you. Second way, increasing the menu. Open settings, general, accessibility, enlarge, down. That's it. Now you know how to make Samsung TV screen bigger. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.